The first agent is an agent that's being developed by GlaxoSmithKline. It is a monoclonal antibody against BCMA, which is B cell maturation antigen, conjugated to MMAF, which is monomethyl auristatin F. This has been studied in a phase 1 first-in-human trial. It was presented at the last ASH meeting on dose escalation. There was no DLTs. And then in terms of expansion, the first cohort included relapsed refractory myeloma patients, around 35 patients total. And what was presented was the response rates and toxicities of this drug. These patients were very, very heavily pretreated. Many of them had prior lines of 5 or more, actually, and they were actually refractory to IMiDs, proteasome inhibitors, and daratumumab. But despite that, the response rate was actually pretty impressive, as around 60%. In terms of toxicities, there were some hematologic toxicities, and interestingly, because of the MMAF, there was noted to be ocular toxicities as well. Specifically, in terms of the grade 3 ocular toxicities, there was a grade 3 dry eyes, corneal keratitis, and eye pain. So that's one type of toxicity that needs to be closely monitored in patients that are receiving this type of agent. But I think what really stood out to a lot of us was the response rates looked very impressive. So we'll wait to the final results of that trial.